Hi everyone and welcome to today's Qigong practice. In this video, I'm going to share with you a breathing exercise for stress. The exercise is called Circle Your Arms to Move Clouds. It's easy to do and a very effective way to get out of the head and into the body. But before we begin, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, and if you would like to expand your practice even more, consider joining my membership site. I'm going to put a link with more details up in this corner so you can go straight to the website. Let's begin today's practice, and I hope you feel nice and relaxed after.
Stand up nice and tall, relax your whole body. Tuck your tailbone in to lengthen through your spine. Relax your neck and shoulders. Get grounded and connected through your feet. Same time, lengthen through the crown of the head upwards. Relax and soften here. Then bend your knees, cross your arms in front of you. Inhale through the nose and into your abdomen. Lift the hands up. Exhale gently through the mouth. Rejoin the circle, palms facing up. Inhale slowly as you lift. Exhale gently out and down. Every time you inhale, visualize cool breeze entering your body through the nose. Every time you exhale, think as blowing off steam out the mouth. Continue circling your arms, staying focused on your breath. Stay relaxed and present. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Depending on how you feel, you can bend your knees more and sink lower into your stance. However, always listen to your body and do what feels good. Circling your arms helps to relax the muscle of the chest and upper back that are often tight due to stress. Breathing in through the nose helps to fill the body with fresh oxygen and revitalize the mind. Breathing out the mouth helps to purge the body of toxins and considered more calming than exhaling through the nose. One more time. Breathe in and breathe out. Relax your hands by the side and notice how you feel. Take a nice deep breath in through the nose and into your abdomen, gathering the calming energy around you. Exhale gently, sending it down the body and out through your feet. Breathe in like a big wave of relaxation washing over your entire body and draining out through your feet and into the earth. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Stay relaxed and present, focusing on your breath and bringing awareness to the movement. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more time. Breathe in. And breathe out. Relax and soften here. Then place your hands on your abdomen and notice how your body feels. Notice your entire body being relaxed and soft. Then relax your arms and bring your feet together to finish your practice. Thank you for watching, enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you soon.